Today we will be making the butter cake. It is moist and delicious. First of all, we will start by mixing the flour with some corn flour or cornstarch and baking powder, and we will keep it aside. We will start by beating the butter till it gets nice and smooth. We have taken the room temperature butter. Once the butter gets nice and smooth, we will add into it our sugar and beat it till it gets soft. Now once it has become nice and soft, we will start by adding our eggs one at a time and beat well after each addition. Once our eggs has mixed well, we will add in vanilla and buttermilk and again beat it on a low speed till everything comes together. Now we will start by adding our flour in 3 batches.
Okay, now mix.
Start. Now we have mixed in all the flour and see our cake batter is ready to be baked at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes. Thanks for watching.